Hey guys, it's George here, and today I have with me the Gudsen MOZA Slypod. It's part monopod and it's part slider. It's fully mechanical. You can use the buttons here to control it, or you can use the app that they have for it for extra customizability. It's really light, it's really easy to use. It has a pan and tilt head, so you can slide it and get that movement in whichever way you want, and you can stick it on a tripod. Now this is the bit that I thought was really cool. I put it on a tripod and I could get such a massive variety of shots with it. I could put it in any angle and it was really consistent. I got some really cool versatile shots. I was able to use it like a crane. I was putting it in weird and wonderful positions. I was putting it vertically to go up with the tree. It took no time to set up and I was really, really happy with the results. I genuinely think this is a really cool tool. It is niche and it's not necessarily for everybody, but the people that want it are really gonna love it. If you wanna know any more information about the Slypod, then you can head onto our website, look at our blog, look at our social channels, or stick a comment in the video below and we'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.